Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. You know me, I'm Scott Holt. I run Utility Bodywerks, the suspension division here. Behind me here, you see we got a big old Dynamax. You guys seen them, a lot of people have them. Got a new product rollout. You're familiar with the LiquidSpring that we install? Well, LiquidSpring went a step further and they took their suspension system and made it also a leveling system. So now not only does it ride good, but when you get to your campsite, you can kind of see this one sitting behind me. It's sitting a little crooked. And to level this thing up, it just takes one touch of the button. They actually came up with a whole new driver interface. If you guys seen the other ones, it's just a little touchpad. Well, this one is actually a touch screen. So right now, everything's sitting level the way it's supposed to be. And if we want to level our rig out, and you can see it has roll and pitch, kind of tell you where you're at. And all you got to do is just hit that auto button. Just like that, it's all level. You can walk around inside the coach. Everything's nice and stable, just like you were sitting on leveling jacks. But this is a lot easier. One of the nice things about the LiquidSpring suspension, you can raise this thing all the way up to the high ride height and still be able to drive it like that. You're not going to go real fast, but you want to get into some off-road remote conditions to do a little boondocking. You can raise this thing up. You can go all the way up to 20 miles an hour like this. So you want to kind of work your way back in the woods. You want to work your way to a remote camp spot. This is the system for you. And then once you get there, like I said, you just hit that one button leveling system. You don't even have to worry about putting your pads down in the grass. This thing will automatically adjust to where you want it to be. So you see, this is the Dodge 5500. I believe we could do this on the 4500 and the 3500 for the Dodges. Ford, we could do the F350, the F450, the F550. That's all they have right now. We're working on getting some more. They're working on putting this kit on other vehicles. So if this is something we're interested in, give us a holler over here at Utility Bodywerks.